A big part about watch collecting is not just purchasing and growing the collection. It's also about really experiencing the watches and actually enjoying them. If you know anything about us here at WatchGecko, we're pretty passionate about changing the straps on watches to give them a fresh new look. Whether it's a leather, rubber, metal or nylon strap, you can really go crazy with the combos. However, straps are not the only accessory you can experiment with when it comes to watch collecting. Today, we really wanted to go through some of our top suggestions when it comes to must-have accessories for watch collectors. Whether you're 20 plus years into the hobby or the watch world is all new to you, we're sure there'll be something here for you. Let's get into it. First up is a safe and secure way of transporting your watches. One of the best ways to do this without taking up too much space is with a watch roll. They're ideal as they don't take up much room, they're nice and easy to slot up to 5 watches in, and have a great adventure-esque look to them. This one here is the Kakuta canvas watch roll. This is made from lightweight, durable, water-resistant wax canvas. It's a fantastically practical material that also looks the part as well. The result? A secure way of carrying many watches without any worries. There's also a nice soft lining to these as well, to not only protect your timepieces, but also to display your watches when you decide it's time to pick one to wear. Made generously to fit even a large case size of watch, we find with larger watches it's best to place a strap in first. The watch then rolls up nice and securely and is attached with a genuine leather strap for added security. Next up, watch straps. This is pretty inevitable from us. Buying replacement watch straps is one of the most impactful ways you can completely transform watches. With 10 years experience and countless amounts of watch strap changes, it still amazes us every time we change the strap on a watch. It's like a new watch with every change. Fortunately, we have a wide range of replacement watch straps to choose from, including leather, nylon, rubber and metal offerings. Not sure which watch strap to go for? Check out our useful guides, both on YouTube and on the WatchGecko blog. Of course, we can't really talk about must-haves without mentioning watches. Some people go for big 30 plus collections where watches are constantly in rotation, and some of us just go for a few special ones. If you're after something different to add to your collection, it's worth spending some time checking out the current Kakuta lineup. Dress watches, tool watches, unique chronographs, and great everyday watches all feature in the collection. You may have seen we also stock a selection of Seikos. These are hand-picked models that we know are popular in the watch world. If you're a regular viewer of the channel, you will have probably seen our videos covering these. We will leave a link down below for you to check them out on the site. Here at WatchGecko, one of our most popular strap offerings is our leather straps. No corners are cut on the quality, and we design every single product in-house here in the UK. With this in mind, we've expanded on the popularity of leather by introducing our first selection of leather goods. You can expect all the great qualities you're familiar with from our leather straps, but now in the form of leather wallets and card holders. One thing that's worth mentioning is you should never underestimate the value of having quality, reliable tools to hand. Us watch collectors love playing with watches. We spend a lot of time and money on them. Constantly juggling spring bars, cleaning the collection, deciding on which straps to add, or even just creating our individual list of grail watches. This is where our top accessories come into play. Everything from our WatchGecko spring bar tool, a surprisingly useful lug gauge for quickly working out the lug width of any popular watch, and our WatchGecko pen, which has a great weight to it and writes extremely smoothly. We understand deciding on all of these accessories can be confusing, but don't worry, we've recently introduced our sets on the site. We've combined our extensive knowledge of all things watches with some of our top products we've previously just mentioned. Each one of the gift sets includes products handpicked by us here at WatchGecko, with many sets including a selection of our successful Kakuta watches, as well as the must-have leather goods and accessories. Each watch gift set includes unique products for each timepiece which we know look great, meaning a stress-free buying experience. So there you have it, a quick rundown of the best must-have accessories for any watch collector. Let us know in the comments below that if you could only suggest one watch accessory to a collector, what would you suggest and why? We look forward to seeing the suggestions. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and also subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.